If the modulus of z is equals to 4 and the argument of z is equals to pi over 6, find z in the form a plus ib. So to start with, the modulus of z, which is the absolute value, is our r. So we can say r is 4. And the argument, which is our theta, is pi over 6. So we can first start by writing this in this way. So z is equals to r, open bracket, cos theta is equals to I sine theta in polar form. So z is equals to, our r is 4, cos our theta is pi over 6, plus I sine pi over 6. Yes. Now, it's important to note that pi over 6 and sine pi over 6 as well. First of all, in degrees, pi over 6 is 30. So, sine 30 is half. And cos 30 is the root of 3 over 2. So if that's the case, let's substitute. This means that z is equals to 4, open bracket, the root of 3 over 2, plus half I, like this. So z is equals to, so now I have to multiply or rather I have to expand what we've been given. So say z is equals to 4 multiplies root 3 over 2. Then also 4 multiplies that half with the I. So z is equals to 2 goes into 4 2 times. So 2 root 3 plus half of 4 is 2i. So this is in the form a plus ib, where our a is 2 root 3 and our b is